Their fire staff has a druid row only, so he could die.
Yeah, he needs to be purged. I got Cat, by the way.
I'm gonna stay with artillery strike.
Food check.
I'm on the fire for now. I'm on the fire. Piercing fire.
Fire's purged. Fire's purged. Swapped him.
I'm cutting their heels down.
Okay, Judy on the stairs. We're good to pressure.
I'm resist spotting and coming
Fire's
back.
real low.
Okay.
Okay,
Focusing fire.
turn on. Yeah, fire.
Coming back for heals.
I'll push them off you.
I got piercing fire.
Okay, let's back up to the stairs. Unless you guys think you can get that.
I think we got fire if we could just finish them.
Okay, stay spread. We got 2 clump there.
Getting punished here.
Okay, back up. Let's back up. Bolt, go.
I can't. There's not much I can do.
Okay, that's fine. Keep backing. We'll try to put pressure from the other side of the stairs.
Okay, we got Pierce. Let's try to go back
what?
down for now. We can regroup. That's
Guardian
okay.
Halberd. Okay.
We'll get him
let's
next
go
time. I
back to
missed my
10.
first Pierce, so
No, you're
Go
good.
back.
That was a good pierce.
Back to 10.
Yeah, come back.
Might want to try and go steal stealth. They're going to steal our cap and try and triple.
Yep. We'll go south. We won't get the cap, but that's fine.
yeah, no worries. We'll get him here on this one.
I was getting knocked around quite a lot, so I couldn't fucking finish fire.
Okay, go get that cap.
We can win these guys though.
Yeah. I think we can push them.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going on the fire here.
Okay, fire's purged.
Piercing fire.
Judy.
Oh, I got walled. I'm reducing his healing and resistance.
Full damage reduce. Okay, look at the curse.
Okay,
If you guys get something on the period or on the
I'm on the curse right now. We can switch back to the fire.
Yep.
He's pierced, big pierced.
Caxton
Okay,
needs help.
we need to back up.
Okay.
Caxton needs help. We need help in the back.
Yep, I'm trying.
I gotta switch.
Oh, I got slowed.
Yeah. I'm gonna put firewall on. We apparently need the peel.
Yep.
They're just doing a good job positioning.
They are. Ooh, bleeds are gonna get me? What? No.
You're good. Yeah, I'll have to wait till his first firewall. I didn't realize, my bad, that my E doesn't go through that firewall, so I'll have to wait
Can't
for his
hear you
first
guys on
firewall, and then I'll
You're good.
Get him.
Let's dismount here and get topped up. Don't worry about the cap just yet.
I can't believe I'm lagging. I didn't lag
Okay.
at all earlier.
Okay, put some pressure on Orchid. Okay.
piercing after this firewall. I'll get there.
Okay, Druid is pierced, or Druid's purged.
Fire's
On the druid. Burning. Fire's really injured.
Look at healer. Look at the healer.
I can't stay stacked against these guys.
Okay, that's fine. He's got purity. Back up. Look at the curse.
Alright, dodge.
Yeah, he's completely zoned out.
That's fine.
Dead.
Okay, back
There.
up. Back up just a touch.
So the
Res
curse is
spotting?
basically free casting. So
We
need
missed
to-
that,
we need to go ahead and get rid of him. And he's
What does the
easier to
curse
get to than
have?
the Fire. Let's look for his defenses. Push him off this point. I don't think they can retake it from us if we can get.
Yep. Just back out and reset. It's gonna be another 20 tick, 10 tick, sorry. I'm trying to, I got nothing for you, Super.
Yeah.
That's a rough fucking comp.
It's a lot of damage.
The,
Just like spread out damage.
well, and the Guardian armor for Enfeeble is...
I can switch to a curse field when I got gear in this field.
Yeah, I mean, give her. Might as well try it. See if we can get some more overall pressure. We gotta be quick though, because we can't let them 3-cap here.
Coming right now.
First
I'm gonna try to take out that curse.
Damn.
Okay, 10 seconds on abilities, and we good?
I'm getting knocked around
Back
too
out.
much to stack.
Okay, start getting those.
Okay, piercing their curse. Eating the choke. I'm taking some stacks. I'm gonna
I can't,
I can cleanse myself, it's fine.
Okay, good backline. Bold needs some heals. Okay, as soon as you guys are ready, look at the curse. Ooh.
Ooh, big damage.
That's a rough comp. I can't, I'm getting puritied out.
Yeah, this is rough. It's all good. These guys have good synergy together.
Yeah.
Let's try to collapse on their axe player when he pushes in. I'm gonna switch to crossbow.
Okay. We good?
Yeah.
And no, I'm gonna keep fire.
Okay,
That
let's
axe
go.
person comes in. Let's go ahead and take him. Let's get the pierce.
Piercing their fire.
Obsessive bursting him.
Yeah, on the axe. I'm
He's
gonna
burning
shred his
down.
resistance.
Should be good.
Okay, he's coming
Piercing their
back
fire.
in.
Hit their fire. Hit their fire. Hit their fire.
Curse is in the back line. Curse is in the back line.
Okay.
Curse
Get
is
this
just
curse, get this
standing in
curse.
the back line.
Yep.
Healer's dead.
Damn. Okay, back up. We gotta be quicker about making that swap, Caxton. If we get called for somebody on their team,